Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start playing Battlefield 2042. First, understand that this game emphasizes large-scale, objective-based combat across massive maps. You'll choose a unique specialist, each with distinct gadgets and traits, so pick one that suits your preferred combat role. There are several game modes, but Conquest is a great starting point for new players, offering a classic Battlefield experience with up to 128 players. Battlefield 2042 features a specialist system, where each character has a unique gadget and a passive trait. These specialists are categorized into 4 traditional classes: Assault, Support, Recon, and Engineer. For example, an Assault specialist might have a grappling hook, while a Support specialist could deploy a medical crate. Understanding these roles is crucial for team synergy and adapting to various combat situations on the battlefield. The game offers several exciting modes. Conquest is the iconic Battlefield experience, featuring 2 large teams battling for control of multiple objectives across vast maps, supporting up to 128 players. Breakthrough is a more focused, linear mode where one team pushes to capture sectors while the other defends. Hazard Zone provides a tense, squad-based extraction challenge where you collect data drives and extract before time runs out. To succeed, always stick close to your squad. Teamwork is vital for revives and objective play. Use the ping system frequently to mark enemies, objectives, and supplies for your teammates. Don't be afraid to experiment with various weapons and vehicles to discover what works best for your playstyle. Remember, map knowledge and understanding objective flow will significantly improve your performance over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.